Hello dear fans. What mysteries are there in the universe? The universe is a multilevel organism that can not only live its own life, but also be the beginning and end for individual planets, stars, and all of humanity. She provided the world with many mysteries, over the solution of which scientists have been racking their brains since ancient times. Instructions. Step 1. Mysteries of space. Time is one of the main mysteries of the universe. What makes day and night change? What moves the hands of the clock? And besides, everyone is very interested in exactly when time appeared and what it is. After all, it cannot be touched or measured with a tape measure, it is not even possible to feel it. Medieval scholastic Augustine said that the world was created together with time and that there is no time outside the world. Does this mean there is no time on the moon? These are the questions that time puts before scientists. Step 2. Parallel worlds or parallel universes. Here's what else scientists are concerned about. If we turn to quantum physics, then according to its laws, the universe is divided, and each of its parts separately continues its development, hence parallel worlds arise. If we take this theory into account, then we need to find a door to these parallel worlds that will help humanity advance in the scientific and economic spheres. Step 3. Black holes. One of the mysteries is the appearance of black holes. These incomprehensible funnels arise out of nowhere and absorb everything that they meet on their way. Interestingly, there have been several attempts to study black holes, but the probes that were sent to the black holes lost contact with the center. So scientists do not know if there is anything in these holes. And the most important question is, can this hole swallow the Earth? Step 4. Mysteries of the Earth. Another mystery is human consciousness. Namely, from what part of the universe did it come from? Is it made of matter or some kind of cosmic dust that allows humans to think? There is also a hypothesis that it is given by an alien mind. Step 5. Extraterrestrial intelligence. Scientists have repeatedly stated that in an infinitely vast universe, among the myriad of stars and planets, there must necessarily be any intelligent life forms. Earthly consciousness is not the only one in the cosmos. Is there life on Mars, the planet of the solar system, where the presence of water was discovered, which gives such hope? Perhaps, however, at the moment there is no evidence of this. Step 6. Many scientists believe that the universe is expanding. And she does this thanks to the presence of dark matter. But is our planet expanding after the universe? And does dark matter exist on Earth? Is it the cause of all natural disasters on the planet? If we consider all the scientific spheres that exist at the moment, then each of them will offer its own riddle of the universe, which, in their opinion, is insoluble. Thanks for watching.